This single wheat penny sold for $336,000, and I'm going to tell you why in this video. If you come across a coin like this, the last thing you want to do is spend it or sell it for too little amount of money. Before the video ends, I'll tell you what you should do if you find this coin. So to be very brief, when you find a very rare coin and you know it's rare, you want to send it off to a grading company like PCGS or NGC. This one was graded by PCGS at a mint state 64 red. Now 70 is the highest grade achievable, but it is nearly impossible to get. 64 is a very good grade. Now one of the main reasons why this coin sold for $336,000 is because it's a doubled die obverse coin. Now obverse means the front of the coin, doubled die means the die that struck these coins had doubling on it, which caused this mint error. Now 1958 is one of the most sought after doubled die coins out there simply because the doubling that occurs on the coin is relatively dramatic. And by that, I mean you can pretty much see it without a magnification glass. You're going to see that doubling on Liberty at the left and In God We Trust at the top, and you don't see too much on the date there on the bottom right. It's that smallest detail that collectors look after when buying coins like this. Now, if you come across this coin, how do you sell it? Well, you want to get the most money for your coin, so you're going to want to get the opinion of at least 3 different experts. What I would say is reach out to at least 3 different coin shops in your local area and see what they have to say. Now, please listen to me on this one. Most of these coin shops are good people and they want to give you the most money they can for your coin. They are not trying to scam you or rip you off. Now, that's the majority of coin shops. There are some that can be a little sketchy, but here's the thing. If you brought this coin to 3 different shops and they all offered you the same amount of money, you can rest pretty easy that that is the true value of the coin. If they all say that your coin is not worth anything, respectfully, they probably are telling the truth. Now, if one of the shops say that your coin's only worth $50, but the other 2 say your coin is worth thousands, then that one shop, either they have a new employee or they have someone that's trying to rip you off, unfortunately. So be aware of that. One last thing I'll say is that you have to understand that these coin shops will be able to pay you immediately. That means you don't have to worry about selling your coin online. There is a little bit of a cost that comes with that though, considering these coin shops have overhead costs like employees to pay, rent to pay, and their families to feed. So they must take a bit of profit from you in order to make a living. So be very careful when selling your coins. Get the opinion of multiple people before you sell. I recommend against going to a pawn shop. That's just my opinion, nothing against pawn shops, but please do your homework and research. If you want to learn more, I have a completely free ebook down below. You don't have to do that. Just keep doing your homework and research, and I'll see you in the next video.